Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Cynthia and today I'm going to guide you through a 5-minute yoga stretch to release your lower back and hips. Let's get started. So if you can come onto your ankles and begin to release your thighs into your calves. We'll do this for a couple of breaths. This will open up your ankles and release tension there. We'll take one more breath here. And then let's come on to our hands and knees and come into cat-cow, releasing your abdominals down, rounding and engaging your abdominals all the way up. And then we'll do this 2 more times, softening down, engaging up, loosening up the entire length of your spine, especially your lower back and hips, will definitely be happy with the cat-cow movements. And then from here, turning your toes under just to open up your feet a little bit. Bend your left elbow down to the floor and tuck your right arm under, and here we'll feel this beautiful length, cross-body length. You can bring your left hand up and over toward your right hip. Take one more breath here. And then release. We're going to switch sides. So coming onto your right elbow, left hand comes behind, softening your head down, finding a comfortable spot, and then easing your right arm toward your left hip. And take 2 breaths here. Nice, strong, deep, even inhales and exhales. And then returning your right elbow and left elbow back down to the floor. Keeping your toes tucked under, lengthen your arms out. We'll come into puppy. And in this puppy pose, we're bringing our hips as far back as possible, engaging your abdominals. Then we're going to rise up and come into a full downward facing dog, lengthening the entire back of your body. Take 2 more breaths here. And then walking all the way forward, easing your hands behind your calves and coming into a forward bend here, drawing the outside of your shins back, the inside of your thighs back, your outer hips lift up and back, your abdominals hug your spine. Take one more breath here. Bending your knees, keeping your right foot forward, left leg comes back, lowering your left knee down to the floor, and then lifting all the way up, engaging deep breaths here. Take one more breath, and then we'll switch sides. Stepping back and stepping forward, lowering your knee down, lifting up. Lower, middle, and upper abdominals engaged, the center of your chest lifting. Smile, it's yoga. And then releasing all the way down and coming into a squat to the best of your abilities. Pressing your thighs into your arms and your arms out into your thighs, engaging your abdominals. Take 2 more breaths here. And then releasing all the way back to center. And we'll finish with a couple of windshield wipers to continue to release your hips and lower back. And within 5 minutes, my prayer is that you are feeling good. Thanks so much for your practice today. There are a couple of videos here if you want to continue to practice a little longer, and feel free to subscribe. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow in class. Namaste.